you know Jamaica is divided into 14 unique parishes? Starting with Kingston, the vibrant capital, it's the heartbeat of Jamaican culture and commerce. Right next door, St. Andrew offers a mix of bustling city life and lush hills. Traveling west, you'll find St. Catherine, home to Spanish Town, Jamaica's former capital with rich colonial history. Clarendon, known for its sugar plantations, has a strong agricultural heritage. Manchester, with its cool climate, is perfect for coffee farming. St. Elizabeth boasts YS Falls and Appleton Rum Estate. Hanover, the smallest parish, has serene beaches. St. James houses Montego Bay, a tourism hotspot. Trelawny, birthplace of Usain Bolt, steeped in agriculture and athletic pride. St. Anne, the garden parish, features Dunn's River Falls. St. Mary and Portland offer breathtaking landscapes and rich maroon history. St. Thomas is known for its unspoiled beauty and bath fountain. Westmoreland, home to Negril, is famous for stunning sunsets and 7 Mile Beach. Each parish tells a story of Jamaica's diverse culture and history. Which one will you explore first?